What's better than a chainsaw?
Well, nothing.
What about a chainsaw on a stick?
You're right, that's better. Today we'll be reviewing the Remington Ranger Polesaw.
Available on Amazon.
Chain bar oil is required, but it's not included, so you'll need to pick some up.
So it's nice and oiled up out of the package. You can see the person's fingerprints. And it's a good tension too. So I don't really have to mess with the chain tension at all.
So you have to press the interlock to press the trigger, and then you can slide this piece into this part where it will basically hold the trigger down. Then you put the plate back on, a little lock washer, and the wing nut. Nice and tight. And plug her in. We plug it in. There we go. And it's ready to go. Timber! How satisfying was that?
I mean, you can't see what you're doing with this because the shield is so big. Look at this shield. I cannot see behind it. This is what I'm seeing when I'm doing this.
That seems like a prop. Does that come off? We took a look at the saw to see if you could remove the hand guard to get a better view, and it doesn't appear to be removable. You really can't see. I don't know how I feel about this saw, Ben. As you get more comfortable with the saw, it becomes easier to accurately place the blade.
It's not safe.
It really does not feel safe when you're using this thing because you can't see it. It's so scary. After a few cuts, you get more comfortable with where the blade is on the saw. I mean...
All right, let's make it longer.
What's better than something that's unsafe? Something that's harder to control and unsafe. Okay, there's one end of it longer.
What's better than a chainsaw on a stick? A longer stick with a chainsaw on it. Ooh.
And
Dude.
You remember high school physics, you remember leverage, and holy crap, this thing just became, it feels like it's, you know,
why did they make this?
40 pounds out of the end of this thing. Alright, well, oh, I think it's Ben's turn.
Yeah, let's put the 140-pound guy on it.
Once you extend the pole to its maximum length, it does become significantly more flexible. What sort of design is this? It's amazing and terrifying.
Probably the most unsafe thing I've ever handled, but I'm in love with it.
Yeah.
It's also one of the coolest things I've ever handled.
And I'm sure you take it off the pole and just use it as like a little electric chainsaw.
Yeah, that's going to be
Great.
fantastic too.
Yeah. I don't know, because it definitely, like, when we had it as long as it would go and you're like way over your head, it was even more difficult to know that you had the blade in the right spot. I feel like it has a very specific use case and this isn't it.
No. Nice.
Despite the lack of visibility, we persevered and kept making cuts over our heads.
This is again where the visibility goes the problem. I'll just pull that down, man.
Okay, you gotta let the branch hit you.
Gonna give a go at the much less fun but much more practical chainsaw not on a stick, safely in my hands where I can see the blade. So we just found a dead tree here. I'm just gonna, might be dumb to get the vines, but okay. It's not the most powerful thing, and now we need to, well, unplug it so I can touch the blade. It actually loosened up this chain from doing that. So we'd have to tighten that up. I really shouldn't cut anymore. It'll slip off and break or something. Yeah, that was like a 6-inch log, and it did okay. So I think, I don't know, this is going to be really helpful for like when hurricanes come or something, and just chopping stuff up, not having to do it by hand.
We're going to go ahead and tighten the chain now to make sure this saw is safe to use. Not the best design, because as you can see, you can't get the screwdriver straight up and down. We need like a really long one, or I guess even a ratchet. Like the screw itself is so close to the bar there, it'd be tough to even get a ratchet in there. I have to assume this is doing something, but it doesn't feel loose, like, but it also, that doesn't feel any better. I don't know.
Cool. That was the build out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, or else.